welcome to our channel Home Magic by me and my mom. Today I am gonna show you a super easy DIY home decor item. Guess what? It's a nameplate with a live plant. Yes, with a live plant. It beautifies the home entrance and stands unique too. Want to see? Here it is. Isn't it so vibrant and colorful? Let's go into its making. These are the items we need. I have taken a cardboard of 28 by 16 centimeters. You can also take a plywood. Next comes a 3D cone liner. It's called Fabrica 3D cone liner acrylic colors. This is how the cones look like. We can squeeze them to paint with a 3D effect. You can get these at any stationery shops or you can buy through online shopping websites. I bought these through Amazon. I have given the purchase links in the description box of this video. You can check it. These are the few acrylic colors I have. I used orange color. Next, I want to show you an interesting item. This is an empty honey bottle. As these are beautiful in shape, my mother preserved these bottles to use for some craft works. You can see that the sides of the bottle are flat. As I told you that we use a live plant, we can use this bottle as a pot. The flat shape is convenient to stick to the nameplate firmly. Next, I am using this thick color paper. You can also use acrylic paint instead of using color paper. This is Play-Doh. I am using this for making birds. You know, we have to keep the lid back, otherwise the dough dries up so fast and it will not be easy to mold it. This is double-sided sticker. It also stretches well and useful in many ways. Next comes mold it. I use it to make alphabets of nameplate. You need some white glue, scissors, a cutter, paintbrush and this jute rope. 3 to 4 tablespoons of white cement or POP and that's it. Let us now start making a beautiful nameplate. Let us first apply white cement paste on this cardboard for getting a rough texture. Add nearly 2 to 3 tablespoons of glue and also keep adding some 4 to 5 tablespoons of water slowly until you get this kind of paste-like consistency, which is not very thick or not even very thin. Let's start applying the paste on the board. Let it dry for a few minutes and in the meanwhile, let us start making our alphabets of the nameplate. I have taken small portion of these two parts equally. It dries up so fast, so we better take small portion initially. Roll the balls with an even thickness. Likewise, make all the letters and let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes. This is how the letters look like after drying up. Let us paint these letters with a bright color. Our nameplate dried so well, so let us now paint it with our favorite colors. I have taken orange color for my border because it is so bright and so pleasant. I did not paint on the center part because I will cover it with another color paper, or we can also paint with another color instead of using this paper. Let us first paint on the border. Mark our design with pencil and overwrite it with 3D cone liner. Squeeze the tube gently on the design. Just ensure that you squeeze the tube with same pressure, and even if it goes wrong somewhere, you don't need to worry. We can gently wipe it off and paint again with orange color. After it dries up, we can paint with 3D cone liner. After finishing the border, let it dry. In the meanwhile, shall we make the plant pot? Depending on the size of the nameplate, you can choose the size of the plant pot. Here I have taken the smaller bottle. Just cut it into 2 parts. See this? I was keeping on trying to cut the bottle with a knife. I could not do that. My grandmother watched all this and asked me to heat the knife so as to cut the bottle easily. Oh yeah, that's right. It really worked so well, and I took my parents' help to cut this bottle. Children who are watching this, please do take the help of elders in handling such sharp items. We can take any of these 2 parts of the bottle. Just take the jute rope and wind it along the bottle until you finish off covering the whole part. Apply glue to some portion of the bottle before you start winding up with the rope so that it sticks so firmly to the bottle. This is how the pots look finally. We can also pour some water inside. Now, let's start making the birds. Basing on the size of the bird you want to make, take an appropriate quantity of the dough. Make a round ball and roll it as shown in this video. See that one end is thinner compared to the other end. The narrow part can be turned as the tail of the bird, and the wider end can be used as the head of the bird. Make a small slit to insert the tail. Make 2 small balls of equal size so that both the wings come out with the same size and shape. Gently stick the wings to the bird. Wow, we can clearly see the shape of the bird. Take a smaller ball for making the tail of the bird. Insert the tail into the slit and see that it is fixed firmly. Let us also make a small beak and eyes to this cute little bird. Just make a small hole for eyes and cover it up with a different color. Wow, such a cute and lovely bird. Similarly, make one more bird so that we can fix the pair on the nameplate. Now, let's get back to pasting our letters. We are almost done. Isn't it so colorful and bright? But we are missing most interesting parts, a plant pot and the birds. Here are some of my old hairpins. I picked a small flower out of this hairpin and sticked the flower to a small part of a dry creeper. Let's create something like this, like one bird is giving a flower to the other bird. Oh, so lovely are these two tiny birds. You can use this kind of double-sided sticker or any strong glue to stick the pot to the nameplate. Wow! We are done with the nameplate. But all this without a plant is incomplete. Let us pour some water inside the pot and place a luscious green small plant into this pot. Want to see how lively it looks with a plant? Here it is! Isn't it so easy? Instead of buying a nameplate, you can make your own. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. I'm sure you like my next video, which is very interesting and valuable too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.